Now, in order to replace a hard drive in a laptop or a netbook, you should make a systems image before you replace the hard drive. So in Windows there's a thing called create a systems image in systems restore, and what you need to do is have an external hard drive to put that systems image on. So this is a Western Digital and it's a 500 gig. It cost me €60, $70–80. And for a netbook, if you replace the hard drive, once you have your systems image copied over onto your external hard drive, you replace the hard drive in the laptop or netbook. I put in a solid state drive into this one, just to show you. So for a netbook you need a bootable one of these guys, flash drives, with a systems repair disk on it, so that you can boot into the DOS of Windows, whichever operating system you have. So you need a boot disk placed on one of these and make this bootable. Now there's plenty of ways of doing that. You'll see it on YouTube. Just look for how to make a flash drive bootable and how to place a systems repair disk on it. Okay, so that's for the netbook. Now you can also use an external DVD player to make your systems repair disk. Of course, before you replace the hard drive. So you'd put your disk in there and you'd plug this guy into your USB, the two USB guys. You'd plug them in and you'd make your systems repair disk. So that's the two options you have with a netbook, because netbooks don't have DVD players in them. Those are too small. This is a 10-inch screen. And there just isn't enough room to put everything into them. So one of them to make your systems image or your systems repair disk, or a bootable USB thumb drive or flash drive that has a systems repair disk software on it. Okay, and then once you have your systems image placed on that, then you replace the hard drive in your laptop, netbook or desktop, and then you turn it on. And once you turn it on, you will see a little thing coming up here stating that there's no operating system. You see it coming up here, operating system not found. So I'll just zoom in there and show you. Operating system not found. Okay, so what you have to do is either put one of these guys in so that you can get up Windows DOS, so that you can apply this guy. Now I have videos to show you how to do this with the DVD method, but the same method would be for the flash drive. So you'd have your systems repair disk on a DVD or a flash drive, and then you'd place your external hard drive in there and follow the instructions. But and that's basically how you do it. I will be showing you how to do that anyway in another video, and there's a link below this video for that. Okay, thanks for watching.